How to download video from any platform directly to your phone gallery. So first of all, you now enter your Chrome browser like this. When you enter your Chrome browser, then you enter the search button here. Then you write save from net. Save from net. You click search. When you click search like this, you look at it now. Look at the result. The first result you see now, en1.savefromnet.net. en1.savefrom.net. You click on it like this. When you click here, you'll see the interface here. Look at it. They say by using our service, yourself this and this free online video downloader, you can be able to download Facebook video, Instagram video, YouTube video, Twitter video. And we all know, say, all these platforms they mentioned are the majority platform that me and you are using all the time. So you just enter here. Then first, now as you enter here, enter the URL. You're going to go like Facebook or Instagram or anybody anywhere. You now go and copy the link from there. Then you paste it here. Let me just give an example now. So let me enter my Facebook to go and copy the link there. So like for example, now let me find a reel. Let me find Facebook reel that I'll just copy the link from there. Let me just find Facebook reel. Okay, like this very one, like this now. Let me even see. So you have seen it now. So you now click here now. I'll now copy the link like this now. After I copy the link, then I'll go back to there. I'll go back to that save from net. If I come back here, then I'll paste. You now paste the link here. After you paste the link here, you just wait for a while because this thing is loading now. You just wait for a while. Okay, look at it now. They now ask me to download. You click this download here. Just click download. You understand? It might display some advert, but forget about the adverts. Don't even go for any advert. Look at it up here. It's downloading already. It has downloaded already. So let me cancel this advert first. It has downloaded already now. Then when you click this open now, you see the video will be playing already. Look at the video that I just downloaded now from Facebook without any issue. Sure, I've seen it now. So now after this one now, when you check your gallery or you check anywhere that you used to save video outside this Chrome browser, you will see your video there. That is just it. So if this is the first time you are watching video on my Facebook page or in my YouTube channel, please don't forget to follow me, follow my Facebook page, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video and share it to your friends so that they will learn this easy trick. Thank you so much. I remain yours, AzZubair or AzZubair Umar. See you in my next video. Thank you.